Hello, my name is Zach, and I really appreciate you watching my brief demonstration on ChalkTalk, a social networking application for climbers. So we have some registration, we have some authentication happening. You'll see that we have basic client-side validation, where if the user has tried to submit a form that doesn't have a field, the browser will ask them to fill it out. We also have some server-side validation, where if the passwords don't match, and then finally, we have some more validation happening in the database too, where if the user tries to use an email that is already being used, it'll alert a message. If they once they do register, they'll be brought right to the homepage. Session data is being stored with the npm package express sessions, and then if they already have an account, they can log in there as well. So once the user has logged in, they'll be brought to the homepage where they can post. Users can like posts, they can share posts, they can reply to posts, they can also pin posts and delete posts. Users can also search for posts and search for other users. Once we search for a user, we can decide to follow them or unfollow them, as the case may be. You'll also notice that if someone likes one of our posts or shares it, a notification will display up here, and that will also go to our notifications tab, and that notification will disappear after a few seconds. So in the notifications tab, we can see all of our notifications, and we can also mark them all as read. Now, we also have some message functionality, and in our inbox, we can create a new chat, we can re-enter a chat, and the chats can be a single person or they can be groups. We can also name chats. So once we go into a chat, the real-time chat functionality is being provided by socket.io, which follows the WebSocket protocol. And so here we can reply, which happens in real time. And then also you'll notice a few things if another user starts to enter the chat. First, we have a typing indicator also happening in real time, and that'll go away after a few seconds if the user has stopped typing. But if they do message, that will show up in real time. So that's the kind of basics of the chat functionality, and that's where we can title our chat. On the profile page, we can do a few things. We can upload a cover photo or a profile photo, and the user will be able to crop that using cropper.js. That'll help keep the size in check a little. We also prevent the user from uploading too large of a file. So we can see our followers or who we're following. And here we can pin our post, we can reply, we can check our replies, message someone directly, and and then finally we can log out. So thank you so much for watching this, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you.